mai koutou, Kor Owen toku ingoa. My name is Owen.
And more at WINTON School, Kor ARCHIE ahau. I am Archie. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for the 10th of May.
Okay, let's get into kupu or te wiki. This week's word is tatua, which is te reo for belt, as in belt to hold up your pants.
Tatua, which is te reo for belt.
Ka pai. On to health and safety news. VIZ vests. We need to wear them to and from school.
Especially as the mornings are getting darker and darker.
And icepacks. If you use an icepack, make sure the icepack is returned to the office. Kia ora.
Now, if you've missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Matterhorn news. Remember to use manners and take care when jumping and climbing down.
And share the air koutou. Remember what happened to Yarrow the turtle.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news, ka kite popo. See you tomorrow.
Haere rā and stay sharp, WINTON School.